welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So of course we're focusing on hair and makeup. So thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing this unit. Y'all, this unit was super easy to install, like super easy. I'm thinking about baby hairs. I haven't really made up my mind, but let's go ahead and move on to makeup while I think about that. My face is already primed and everything like that. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. You guys know y'all know I love this one. This is in the shade 515, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using this one from Fenty. This is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 370. It's been a minute since I've used Fenty, girl. Blend it out. So for my powder, I'm going to be using this one from Fit Me. This is in the shade Coconut 355. And for my bronzer, I'm using this one from Essence, and this is the their matte bronzer palette. And I think I'm going to mix these two shades together. Oh, this bronzer was really pretty, nice and warm. I'm gonna have to use this more often. So now we're gonna go ahead in with some blush, and I'm just taking this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. This is the matte one in Citrine, girl, if I can open it, Citrine Rose. Oh my god, my face is looking so pretty. And its hair, especially in a monitor, girl, it's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving, okay? It's giving. And then to snatch my nose, I'm just using this powder from L'Oreal. And as I do my makeup, you guys, I'm debating on if I want lashes or if I want to do just some mascara. Really don't know how I'm feeling. I don't know how I'm feeling. Highlighter, because I never wear it. And I just got on the phone with my friend Takara, and she had on highlighter and her makeup was so pretty. So I was like, you know what? Bring me the highlighter. And we're going bright, okay? So I think I'm going to use this shade right here. It's the Laura Geller. Y'all, I done had this for I don't know how many years. But it's in the shade French Kiss. I feel like I stopped buying makeup. Like, it's just like, I know what works for me. I know what look good on me. I know what foundations I like. I don't need to try everything. And I feel like trying everything also kind of like mess my skin up too. So it's like, I'm good on all that. Give me my little basic products that I like. And if you guys enjoy watching me do my makeup, you know, then, you know, it's just a part to get ready with me at this point. Okay? It's just a part of it. So if you enjoy it, I'm so glad you love it here. Okay? So I think I'm going to pop these lashes on. These are super pretty, you guys. They're just super natural lash. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to pop these on just to give me a little something, because I was debating on if I even wanted a lash. So yeah, let's put these on and see what it gives. These are really cute. Let's put some mascara on. So I'm just going to put some mascara on my top and bottom lashes like I normally do, girl. And yeah. And now for my lip, I'm just taking this little miniature that I got. If you watch my vlogs, you guys know that I have been loving the MAC holiday gift sets. So I'm just gonna line my lips using my Wet n Wild. This is my favorite liner, you guys. It's not even a lip liner, it's really an eyeliner, but we use what we want for what we want to use it for. And that's just that. Wow, I just overdrew my lips a lot. Like, this is the most I think I ever overdrew them. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy because my lips are already huge. I didn't even mean to do all of that. Oh my god. I think because I have this lip conditioner on, like, it's just kind of going all over the place. So I believe this lipstick is in the shade Taupe, and the lip gloss is in the shade Oh Baby. So let's see what this combo is giving. Taupe is this really pretty brownie, mauvey, nudie color. Wow, this lip is really pretty. It's definitely giving a true nude. I feel like I'm giving auntie vibes, honey. That's what it's giving, okay? But I love it. So now I'm just going to top it off with the lip gloss. Oh Baby is really pretty. I love the shimmer in it. It's kind of like a brown or like a nude with like a bunch of shimmer. Oh yeah, this is a nice little combo. Okay, Mac. So this is the finished product of the hair. I decided not to go ahead and add baby hairs because I feel like it looks pretty good just how it is now. I love this unit, you guys. The color on this unit, they did a really good job. Okay, the lace, y'all already know. This is just a really pretty unit, and the fact that it already came curled is that for me, honey, because the least amount of work I have to put in works for me 100%. So this is a loose wave texture unit. It is a 5x5 closure unit, and it is also in this beautiful blonde mixed color, you guys. I love how it has the blonde in the front. It really helps to frame the face, and then it pretty much just have like the black or the 1B color throughout the back of the hair and the remainder of the hair. This is gorgeous. Like, this is super pretty. I love how this turned out on me and my skin tone. It's giving what it's supposed to. As always, it's just giving what it's supposed to. This unit is also in 12 inches, and I love that. I feel like it's not too short, not too long for a bob. It hits me perfect. Like, it literally hits me perfect. And you guys know that I'm not a super bob fan, but this right here is this for me. I don't know if it's the color, honey. I don't know if it was the curls that already came in and how easy it was to just kind of throw on. I literally probably put like 2 or 3 curls on each side in the front and pretty much left the back as is, you guys. This bob is cutting up. I know you see it. Like, she really cutting up. I don't even know what else to say. Like, it's in your face. This was 100% a out of the box type of unit, you guys. I literally took it out the box. I did no washing, did a little bit of plucking. You don't even need a curling iron with this unit if you don't want to, girl. Like, this is a ready, and you can put this on in the car, okay? If you want to put this wig on in the car, you can put it on in the car, girl, because that's how easy it was. And I'm so glad I opted out for the baby hairs, because the lace, you don't even need no baby hairs, honey, because what are we hiding? Nothing. And of course, this hair is super soft, you guys. I'm literally running my fingers right through it. Super shiny. It's just a really nice unit. I cannot actually wait to see what this unit is going to look like once I actually wash it, to see how it's going to, the curls are going to bounce back. But being that it is a loose wave, I don't expect it to be as curly as it is now, but I do expect there to be some wave and me to just throw a few barrel curls in it and be out the door. So this unit came in a side part, which is pretty much what I kept. The only thing that I did was kind of curve my side part off a little bit more, because I do like that look a lot more. And you could wear this unit any kind of way, you guys. You could have did a middle part, like however you want to part it, you can do that. I love how much space that you get with this 5x5 parting space. I could actually go even farther, maybe to about right there with my part, you guys. But I just kind of wanted to keep things nice and natural. That's why I didn't do any baby hairs. I just pretty much wanted to show you guys how convenient and how versatile and how easy this unit is. And you guys already know, like, if you're not really a huge fan of lace or you don't like 13x4s, closures are definitely the way to go. You don't have to worry about ear tabs. I always say this, but I promise you guys, closures are actually my favorite too, because I'm still kind of learning the whole lace ordeal or whatever. But I do feel like closures make it so much easier for me to install my units and just go. I don't have to worry about ear tabs. I don't have to worry about none of that, okay? None of that. And we love a closure over here. I will be sure to leave the direct link to the unit in my description bar below, as well as the Love Me Hair's website. Thank you so much again to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up this video. Smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.